Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a Boxycharm video. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm premium box for the month of August, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just received my Boxycharm Premium in the mail today. So I'm very excited to see what is inside my Boxycharm Premium. But if you are new here, my name is Ciate Lace, and I do haul videos, lifestyle videos, and business videos. And if you're into that, go on and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So if you do not know what the Boxycharm Premium is, Boxycharm Premium is a monthly subscription box. You usually have to be signed up for the regular Boxycharm box first and then get on the waiting list to upgrade for the Boxy Premium. And you can either keep both the Boxycharm and the Boxy Premium, or you can cancel your regular Boxycharm. When the Boxy Premium is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products. And they usually value over $235. You can't beat that for 35 bucks, especially if you're a beauty junkie, lover like me. So let's go on and get started. So I already went on and cut my box to make it a little easier, because if you're not new here, you know I be struggling sometimes. So went on and gave her a cut. And this is her. It says Boxycharm Premium. It has their social media handles and tags and so forth. And yeah, this is the box. So let's get started. So first off, I see the stock card, which I'm really pleased about that. I normally don't read the stock card, but I think I'm going to read it in this one. And the stock card, this month's theme is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. So yeah, it's about just having fun outside, camping, super cute. The s'mores is like making me hungry. Got a sweet tooth. But let's go on and get started. And I have variation 48, because I know a lot of people be asking me in the comment area. So I have variation 48. So first up, what I see, this is the Afterspa slip-on exfoliator. Ooh, it is organic and vegan, biodegradable, which is great. This is really, really nice. You guys, I've been wanting to purchase one of these for in the shower. Just it helps you exfoliate, you know, and it's just a little glove thing, which I think is really, really cool. And now I don't have to buy one because it came in my box. So this is nice. Let's see how much this was. The Afterspa slip-on exfoliator, it says, is a self-exfoliating that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. And this is $18. So that is not bad. I'm very pleased because I did want one of these. Next up, this is by Too Faced. It is the Born This Way Ethereal, if I'm saying that right, setting powder. So I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, you guys, but I'm going to put it up here so y'all can see. Alright, so there we go. So what it said, this is a setting powder, of course. It says it's infused with coconut water, which aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Alpine rose, which helps empower skin's health and resilience. And hyaluronic acid gives a smoother and more youthful appearance. And it says, our silky, lightweight powder sets makeup for longer wear while providing a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural that they'll think you were born this way. Okay, this is cute. Let's check this out. Ooh, I like the packaging, and I don't have any setting powders from Too Faced, so I'm gonna have to try this out and see how I like it. I do like that it comes with the it's like a little cap, but the cap, so that way, you know, the powder ain't going everywhere. So I like that. So I'm going to definitely try this out and see how it does. So maybe a makeup video should be coming soon, because I haven't done one in a while, and this might be in there. So let's see how much the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder is retailing for, and it is $33. Not bad, huh? And then we have, this is by Laura Geller, New York, and it's an eyelash primer Fortifying Lashes. So this is a nice little primer. There you go. And this is the front of the box. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I do not need any more eyelash primers. I actually got some last month. I think I got an eyelash primer and a mascara last month, and I got another one, and I don't need any. So I'm going to be putting these in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers, okay? And let's see, the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer says the creator of Spackle and expert in primers introduces the newest innovation in priming your lashes. Unlike other white colored lash primers, this black tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look, and it's $24. So that's pretty cute. I think one of y'all would get good use out of that. And then the next item is the by Sunday Riley, which is a good brand, and it is the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Who doesn't like retinol? Okay, and especially at my age, because I am older, you need some retinol in your life. Okay, so it says Advanced Strength Retinol Serum delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinol blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. Ooh, and they got it all wrapped up. I'm excited about this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this, y'all. I'm so excited. Look how cute the packaging is, and it opens up like this, like, I don't know, like, maybe like sunglasses. If you ever buy like luxury sunglasses, because that's all I wear, they come in boxes like this. But yeah, let me get this open for you guys. Ooh, super pretty. I just love the presentation, you guys. I just love it. It's so cute and just a little bougie. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this out because y'all know I've been trying to get my skin together. And if you haven't noticed, it has been coming together a little bit. So yes, I'm excited to try this out. So it says it has 6.5% retinoid blend, CoQ10 plus honey. So, ooh, so excited, you guys. So let's see how much that Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum is retailing for. $85. And this is something that you need in your life. You could find some retinoid that's cheaper, but you know, Sunday Riley is a really good brand. And I mean, come on, I only paid $35 for this box, and I got some good stuff so far. Okay, I'm so happy. I just feel like, hey, remember when Toys R Us was like open, and you know, I know when I was a kid, Toys R Us was open, and you just go in there and you're running around. That's how I feel opening this box right now. Just so happy. Alright, so the next item we have is by MAC, and it's an amplified cream lipstick, and it is in Fast Play. Ooh, and I love MAC products. They their lipsticks are a little pricey for me, so I only own 2, and now I own 3. So yay, I'm excited about that, and this is definitely a color I would wear. So yes, I have like one that's a little darker than this, and then I have like it's called Heron or Heron, I don't know, but the name of it sounds like a drug to me, but it's like a really cute purple. But yeah, this one is really, really pretty. I would definitely wear this. It's like, which that's great because now I have a brown, a mauve, and a purple, which are, those are my colors. So yes, this is in Fast Play. So the MAC lipstick is retailing for $19. Hence, that's why I don't really buy too many. I use MAC concealer and like their foundation and stuff. And if you save up so many bottles and you return it, you can get something for free. So that's usually what I do, is after I have so many concealer bottles of my MAC Pro Wear concealer, then I would go get me a lipstick. But I've been changing up and using different concealers lately, but I think I'm going to go back to MAC. Alright, so the next item, last but not least, this is by Ciate London. We got a palette. And this is the Editor palette. Super cute. It's like holographic, very shiny. It's more cuter in person, I say, than it is given on camera because there's just so many lights going on. But yeah, let's open her up and give it a whirl and see what the palette looks like. I'm so excited, you guys. And I'm ready to play with makeup. I haven't really played with makeup in so long. I think yesterday and today I got to play with some makeup. So yes. Ooh, the palette is super pretty when you take it out the package. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. I love it. Ooh. Ooh, this is a pretty palette, you guys. It has a mirror, of course. And these are the colors. And I am very pleased with this palette and want to try it out because, oh my gosh, the only thing is there's no names of the shadows. Alright. Here goes the gold one. Ooh, look at that. Another color that is calling out to me is this green. Let's see how that swatches. It's hard to get my finger in here with these nails, you guys. Oh, look at that green. Oh my gosh, I'm so... Oh, here goes the purple. Let me swatch the purple, y'all. Y'all know I love me some purple. Bad swatches, but look at that. Oh my gosh, this color is so... Oh my gosh. I can't wait to play with this palette. Yes, we're going to have some more makeup videos coming soon, boo. So let's see how much the palette is retailing for. The Ciate London New England Editor palette is retailing for $32. So that is not bad at all. I'm very pleased with this box. The value of my box was $178, which is not bad for 35 bucks. And normally Boxycharm is... and the Boxycharm Premium is normally over $150 value, but they did state on their website that this month's box values up to $235. So I thought I had the $235 box, but my box was still a great box. I'm really pleased with the items that I got. I only got one thing that I will be putting in the giveaway, and that is the lash primer. But other than that, I am very, very pleased with everything that I got. I will definitely be using most of my boxes. I am pleased, or you know, I could be a little disappointed. I'm a makeup junkie, so I don't mind stockpiling up on stuff, but some things I'm just not going to use. But I know for sure I'm using this right away tonight. Definitely going to be using the MAC lipstick. Definitely going to try this Too Faced powder out and see how it works. I'm not sure if I'm going to love it or not, but I'm going to check it out. I love my Fenty Beauty powder, and I am very pleased with my exfoliating slip-on sponge mitt thing, whatever you want to call it, because I've been looking into one of these, and now I don't even have to pay for it. So yes, and I'm pleased to get a palette. Never go wrong with a palette, especially one that has some really, really pretty bright colors, because I need to get in the zone and play with some makeup. You know, with everything going on right now, and with our Congress and just everything going on, I have been very emotional and up and down, and now I'm kind of just like, okay, I need to get out of that. I'm ready to play with some makeup. So when I played with makeup yesterday, it felt so great, and so I played with some makeup today, and I just need to get back into playing with makeup and what my channel started with, which was makeup, because come on now, hint Chantilly Lace with a pretty face. I love makeup, I love beauty products, and it really does bring me out of a funk when, you know, I do my face. But yes, hopefully things will get better over time. I'm just praying that we can get back to normal one day soon. I don't know how soon, but one day soon. But yes, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.